How to transfer your Instagram account to another phone on Android. This tutorial shows you how to log into your account on a new device using your username at the top of the screen. First, grab your old phone and open the Instagram app. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your profile page. From there, take note of your username displayed at the top of the screen as you'll need it to log in on the new device. At this point, pick up your new phone and open the Instagram app. In the next step, tap on Use Username and Password and enter the username you just noted down. Following this, tap Next, and you'll be prompted to enter your password. Once done, if you remember your password, go ahead and type it in and tap Login to get straight in. From here, if you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password instead. At this stage, enter the email address linked to your Instagram account and tap Next. Instagram will send a verification code straight to that email. Finally, open your email app, grab the code, enter it on the Instagram screen, and you'll be fully logged into your account on the new phone with everything intact. And that's it. If this guide helped you transfer your Instagram account to a new phone on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.